Before you clean out an inherited house, slow down. Some items may have value, some may have meaning, and all of it needs to be handled carefully. When families inherit a house, one of the hardest parts is not the real estate, it is everything inside. Furniture, jewelry, tools, art, photos, clothing, collections, paperwork, family heirlooms, and decades of memories. It can feel impossible, but the worst thing you can do is rush in with trash bags before you have a plan. Start with documentation. Take clear, dated photos of every room, closet, garage, basement, shed, and storage area. Create an inventory. Identify items that may have financial value or sentimental value. Secure jewelry, watches, coins, firearms, important documents, art, collectibles, instruments, and valuable tools. Then separate the process into categories. Items to appraise, items family members have requested, items for estate sale, items for donation, items for disposal. Professional estate sales companies can be very helpful, especially when the home has enough contents to justify the setup. They typically handle pricing, marketing, staging, and the sale itself. High-value items may do better, though, through specialty dealers, online auctions, or private buyers. Remaining items may be donated or removed. The big risk here is family conflict. One person says, "Mom promised me that table." Another says, "That watch is worth more than you think." This is why documentation and communication matter. As a personal representative, your job is not to make everybody emotionally satisfied. Your job is to protect estate value and follow the legal process. Also remember, personal property affects the home sale. A full house can delay listing, reduce buyer appeal, and create safety issues, but clearing it too quickly can create regret or disputes. At Probate Solutions Colorado, we help families coordinate estate sale companies, appraisers, donation pickups, clean-out crews, storage, and vendors. The goal is simple: value, reduce conflict, and prepare the real estate for the best possible outcome. If you are starting at a full inherited house and have no idea where to begin, call Christy Libertore at 303-835-3284 or Erik Gruenwald at 720-466-3593 or visit probatesolutionscolorado.com. Don't forget to click on the link below and be sure to subscribe. Thank you very much.